In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule a Zoom meeting. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So first of all, what you will need to do is go ahead and download the desktop version of Zoom, and what you can do is if I come down to my browser, you can come to zoom.us/download and download whichever one is relevant to you. There's a couple of options here what you can go ahead and download, and you can download this also for like mobile and things. So I'll leave a link in the description if you want to click on that and go straight to this link here. But what you need to do once you have downloaded that is come over to the desktop app, and then as you can see on the main page of Zoom there's an option there for schedule. If you click on that, that will do is it will bring up this little pop-up. And so the first thing is the topic, so you can name this whatever you want. So you could put in, for example, like work, meeting, or team meeting, whatever you want. And then the start date would be, so I could change this to, for example, the 12th, Monday the 12th, and I can also choose a time. So if I come down and I choose like 9:30, so the standard time here would be 30 minutes. And if you want any more than that, as you can see, your Zoom basic plan has a 40-minute time limit. So if you want to have a meeting for more than 40 minutes, you will have to upgrade your package. So if you leave it on 30 minutes for the basic package, and you can also make this a recurring meeting and it will be in your colleagues' calendars and things like that. And then as you can see here on the security, they will have a passcode that they will have to enter the meeting. So obviously random people can't join and things like that. And then you can also open a waiting room. So what it will do is when they join the meeting, it will say that they are waiting for the host to let them into the meeting. So video host, you can put that on or off. I would just recommend just selecting it on. And then participants on or off, you can also select that on. So calendar here, what most people do use is Outlook. It's a more professional email service. So what that will do is it will just put in the recurring meetings into the calendar so people know when to join your meetings on Zoom. And the advanced options here allow participants to join anytime, mute participants upon entry, automatically record meeting on the local computer, and you can go ahead and select whichever one of these you want to use. And then from there, all you need to do is select save. And then as you can see, it is now scheduling the meeting, and after that, what that will do is it will send a little email over to your Outlook, and then you can obviously tag whoever is relevant to this meeting, tag them in there, and then obviously send this off. And what that will do is it will input that into their calendars on a recurring basis. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.